Think about this. Right now, as you sit, stand, or walk, you're moving at about 1,000 miles per hour. That's the speed of Earth's rotation at the equator. But you don't feel it, right? It's been this way since our planet formed billions of years ago. A speed and a force that stabilize everything we know. But what if just for a single day Earth stopped spinning? Imagine, in an instant, that calm, stable motion just stops. Suddenly, everything and everyone not anchored to the ground would be hurtling eastward at 1,000 miles per hour. Think of a family driving down a street or a flock of birds mid-flight, now flung like leaves in a hurricane. At the equator, where the force is greatest, over 90% of people and animals would be thrown with unimaginable force. Entire cities would crumble as buildings collapse, their structures never built to withstand an impact like this. But it's not just us. The atmosphere, the air we breathe, would still be moving at 1,000 miles per hour. This would create superstorms like hurricanes and tornadoes on steroids, ripping through everything in their path. Imagine trees uprooted, birds and animals caught in deadly winds, entire landscapes leveled. Then there's the ocean. Without the spin of the Earth, the water would shift, moving toward the poles, creating waves, no tsunamis that would crash into every coastline, drowning cities and wiping away everything in their path. Imagine millions trying to escape the water, but it's coming faster than anyone can run. And as if the winds and the waves weren't enough, now picture this. One side of Earth trapped in blinding, relentless sunlight, while the other plunges into freezing darkness. In the eternal daylight, temperatures would soar, drying up water sources and burning the land. Meanwhile, on the other side, in the freezing night, plants and animals would struggle to survive as everything plunges towards sub-zero temperatures. This split would devastate ecosystems, leaving no place for plants or animals to thrive. With plants dying, the food chain collapses. No plants for herbivores, no prey for predators. But here's a frightening fact, something we often forget. Earth's spin is what keeps our magnetic field intact, the invisible shield that protects us from cosmic radiation. If that shield weakened or disappeared, the radiation from space would flood in, bombarding anything left alive. Any life that somehow survived the superstorms, the tsunamis, and the extreme temperatures would face a new, relentless radiation, mutating life on a genetic level. In just 24 hours, our world would be unrecognizable. Civilization, ecosystems, and species as we know them would fall apart. At the end of it all, over 99% of life on Earth would perish, a staggering impact that would redefine the planet. But here's the question: if Earth in one single day can lose everything we depend on, are we truly prepared for anything? And if you had one day left to make a difference, how would you spend it? Remember to like, follow and share for more video with Earthwise and Otherwise.